Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the daddy shark, so let's get begin. First, I'm going to draw the nose and the mouth. Now I draw its big tail. I draw his huge body with its fins. Friends, do you hear the poem of Baby Shark? I draw his nose and his eyes. The daddy shark have pointed and sharp teeth, so we are going to draw the sharp teeth. I take the black marker to make the diagram more vibrant. Now friends, it's time to color the daddy shark. I take dark blue color to color the daddy shark. As we know that sharks are very dangerous. Now I take grey color for its lower body. Very good! Our shark is ready! It looks so amazing! Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!